So like my PI in the US, I mean, he is Japanese and he's not like from here, but he knew this like research institute, and he also found out the internship program. So he recommended me like, how about going to Japan and doing this kind of internship. And my parents weren't that crazy about this internship because I mean they know like about the earthquake and the radiation thing, but I mean it took me like a month to convince them actually, and now they're like not fully convinced, but like they say okay, fine, if you want, just go. So the process, it's not that complicated. Just like fill out the simple form and write like your application essay. I was given like multiple options, like which lab, and they asked me like which lab I wanted to join, and I read like the brief explanation about this particular research, and I was interested in the embryology or more like developmental biology, so I chose to join this lab. My main research was involving mice, like using the mice embryo and forming tetraploid, and then aggregate the tetraploid to diploid embryos to create a chimera. And the research is to determine like how much of those tetraploid cells contribute to the like actual embryo. We use two different fluorescent lights, like one is like GFP, green fluorescent proteins, and one is like M-cherry. So we know like which, I mean we just like insert the gene to the nuclei, and the nuclei will emit the color. So we will know like, I mean in the embryo aggregate chimera, you know like which cell contribute to like which part of the embryo. And now we are taking a time lapse. So this is my research, and like recently I just, well, the experiment went successfully, so I'm really pleased with this overall result. I mean, people come here will get a specific project to do. Like, for instance, in my case, I got this specific project, and my main focus just like researching and reading those like articles about this kind of project. And this is a really rewarding experience because you can like, interact with professors and other faculty members, and also the researchers, and then the grad students. So you will get like so many point of views from like different kind of people, and it's really stimulating because everyone is doing the same kind of research in the lab, and we will learn a lot from other people. And also the researchers' seminars, like there are so many seminars to join, and we can like learn so much stuff from the leading researchers in the world. So I will recommend this to anyone who are interested in this research. Again, the travel expense or those like living expense will be covered, so there will be nothing to lose. And also, it's really interesting to see like those like Japanese cultures, and there's lots of like chances to interact with Japanese students and to learn their cultures and language. And yeah, one advice is just don't hesitate, just join. I mean, just like give a shot.